Welcome home to 2201 Pershing C-Style, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, featuring 694 square feet. We are starting our tour off in the open concept living and dining space. And right to the left of me by the front door, we have your coat closet. Great storage space in there. And then to the right of me, we have your in-home laundry. Stacked front load washer and dryer. That's your front door area. Nice and high ceilings. In your kitchen, you have stainless steel appliances, stone countertops, really great cabinet space, as well as the pantry cabinet there. This home features a peninsula where you can get some bar stools on the front side of that. You have 2 pendant lights above, looking out into your dining and living space. This home also features a balcony, which is great for enjoying the outdoors. All of our homes feature window coverings. Off of your living room space, the bedroom is to the left. This bedroom is nice and large, has ample space for a king-size bed, along with additional furnishings. Nice and large windows. Just gonna pan around this room for you. You have a great size walk-in closet. Across from the bedroom, you have a linen closet. And then your bathroom. Within the bathroom, you have ceramic tile floors, a nice and large vanity, dual flush toilet, tub and shower with white subway tile and the arch curtain rod. Just kind of pan back around that bathroom for you. Home does feature a medicine cabinet in there. And back into the living room space. So that concludes our tour of the C-Style floor plan here at 2201 Pershing, and we hope to see you soon.